If you have accidentally deleted photos or videos on your iPhone, today we are here with the steps to recover them. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Photos app on your mobile device. You can recover the photos from recently deleted album for up to 30 days after the deletion. Now, once you open the Photos app on your iPhone, scroll down and there you will get to see recently deleted option available and simply tap on it. Now you will have to enter your passcode or face ID according to your iPhone version. So here you can see all of the deleted files, and if you want to recover it, if you want to only recover one, then long press on it, then you will get to see recover option available there. But if you want to recover the whole recently deleted file, then you can tap on the three dot option available there, and once you tap on it, you will get to see recover all option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.